Hi there, students. To garner. To garner. It means to get, to gather, to accumulate, to inquire. And we use it particularly about information or reputation. So to garner information, to get information, to garner a reputation, to slowly gather and build up a reputation. It's not easy to garner a reputation as a teacher in YouTube. He has spent several weeks garnering information to compile this report. With each of my videos that you watch, you garner new vocab and greater understanding. So, to garner, to collect together, to gather, to acquire, to build up. His collection of stamps was garnered from many different sources. Now, you can also have a garner, but this is a bit old-fashioned. A garner is a granary. A granary is a places where grain, where seeds, where wheat, rice, food, but seeds to make bread and things like that, is collected and stored until needed. Yeah, so in the olden days they had granaries, and when they harvested the crops, all of that went into the granary. Yeah, and then that was kept for when they didn't have any food. So to garner is to collect and harvest grain, yeah, for the granary. But nowadays this is not something we normally do. We normally garner information to garner reputation. We use it figuratively. His latest work has garnered great praise from critics. It has acquired, it's slowly been getting. Do you think you could garner more information about his intentions? I garnered very little from the conference that I attended. I got very little new information. Okay, so to garner, to get, to collect, to acquire, to accumulate. So, let's see. To garner is a regular verb. He garnered compliments from all walks of society. He has garnered a fantastic reputation, having worked for many years. Okay, next question, formality. I think I'd probably give this a 7 or a 7.5 in formality. I would not use this in an informal conversation. To earn, to accumulate, to get, to acquire. Use this semi-formally and formally. And let's see, what about the word? Well, in Old French, we have a word grenier, or grenier, which was a granary in Old French. And that, in turn, came from Latin, granarium, a granary. So, to garner, to collect food, to collect the crops for the granary, for when you need it later. But now we just use it to mean to accumulate, to build a reputation, or to get information, to collect together. So there you go, to garner. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To garner.